Ready to upgrade your SAP system? Wondering if Allevo works smoothly with the powerful S/4HANA?
The answer is simple. Yes, absolutely.
But let's dig a little deeper. With Allevo, you will effortlessly unlock the full potential of S/4HANA. We make your transition from R3 to S4 easy and stress-free with everything running smoothly. Plus, you'll still be able to post your data in both the old and the new tables. Think about it: unmatched performance, faster processes, and increased productivity. That's what our clients all around the world are already experiencing with S/4HANA. And as always, Allevo works behind the scenes, ensuring a secure and seamless connection between SAP and Microsoft Excel. And when special challenges arise, we tackle them with focus and determination to find the perfect solution. Ready to embrace the future? Join us on this journey. We're your trusted partner in every step of the way.